and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the SEMA X400 drone, or just unboxing it and kind of showing you what it is that's inside. Oh, it's tiny! And it's already all set up. Normally the drone... Oh my goodness, it's like a little baby toy. Is there even a camera on there? Oh yeah, there is right there. That is so cute. Normally the drones that I have are like humongous. So this is awesome. Comes with a remote controller that looks like this, and all the accessories, the battery pack, one of these guys to do the screws. Also comes with a charger, another battery pack, extra wings, as well as a drone protector. It comes with 4 of these to protect the drone from hitting anything on the side. This is the clip that goes on here on the remote. It slides in like that, so that you can clip onto things, whatnot. So the battery gets inserted in the back over here. Oh, that way. So those are all the components that come into the SEMA X400. So for more product reviews, openings, unboxings, different stuff like that, please make sure to subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this drone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!